If you're trying to connect a device to Wi-Fi and it asks for the SSID, you might be wondering what that actually means or where to find it. The good news is that the SSID is simply the name of your Wi-Fi network. In this video, I'll show you several easy ways to find it, whether you're using a Windows 10 or 11 computer, an iPhone, an Android phone, or checking the label on your router. Let's start with the easiest method. Look at another device that is already connected to your home Wi-Fi. On a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, look at the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and select it. The list of available wireless networks will appear, and the network you're currently connected to will show its name. That network name is your SSID. Microsoft identifies the SSID as the name of the Wi-Fi network, so if your TV or another device asks you to enter the SSID, this is the name you need. You can also find the SSID through Windows Settings. Open Settings, select Network and Internet, and then choose Wi-Fi. You should see the Wi-Fi network your computer is connected to. Select the network or its properties to view more information about the connection. If you're trying to connect another device and simply need the network name, the name shown there is your SSID. Now, if you have an iPhone or iPad that is already connected to your Wi-Fi, finding the SSID is just as easy. Open Settings and tap Wi-Fi. At the top of the Wi-Fi screen, you'll see the network you're currently connected to, usually marked with a check mark. The name next to that check mark is your Wi-Fi network name, or SSID. Apple's current support instructions use this same Wi-Fi screen to identify the connected network. On Android, open Settings and look for Network and Internet, Connections, or Wi-Fi, depending on the manufacturer of your phone. Tap Wi-Fi or Internet and you'll see the network your phone is currently connected to. The name displayed there is the SSID. Android also lets you share the connection information from the Wi-Fi settings on supported devices, which can be useful if you're helping someone connect another device to the same network. Another very reliable way to find your SSID is to check your Wi-Fi router. Look at the back, bottom, or side of the router for a label. Many routers have a sticker that shows the default Wi-Fi name, often labeled Wi-Fi name, network name, WLAN, or SSID. The same label may also show the default Wi-Fi password. If you have never changed the network name, the SSID printed on the sticker is usually the one you need. However, there's an important detail to remember. If you changed your Wi-Fi name after setting up the router, the name printed on the sticker may no longer be your current SSID. In that case, use a device that is already connected to the network and check its Wi-Fi settings. You can also log into your router's administration page if you know the login details and look under the wireless or Wi-Fi settings. The current network name shown there is the SSID. What if you see two Wi-Fi names that look almost identical? That can happen when your router broadcasts separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. For example, you might see something like Home Wi-Fi and Home Wi-Fi _ 5G. These are different wireless network names, so each one has its own SSID. If the device you're setting up asks for the SSID, select or enter the exact network name you want it to use. There's also a possibility that your Wi-Fi network is hidden. A hidden network does not normally appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks, so you may need to enter the network name manually. Android's Wi-Fi settings, for example, include an option for adding a network and entering its SSID when the network is hidden. If you have a hidden network, make sure you type the SSID exactly as it was configured on the router, including capital letters, numbers, spaces, or special characters. And remember, the SSID is not the same thing as your Wi-Fi password. The SSID is the name of the network, while the password is a security key you entered to connect to it. For example, if your router broadcasts a network called My Home Wi-Fi, then My Home Wi-Fi is the SSID. The password is a separate piece of information. So if you're trying to connect your Vizio TV, phone, computer, printer, or another smart device and it asks for the SSID, simply enter the exact name of your Wi-Fi network. You can usually find it on a device that is already connected, in your phone or computer's Wi-Fi settings, or on the router's label if the default network name has not been changed. If you found this video helpful to find your Wi-Fi SSID, give it a quick like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. And if you're having trouble finding your network name or connecting a specific device, leave the device model and the message you see on the screen in the comments and I'll help you figure it out.